Yeah, probably you're wondering, yeah, that's me over there doing the hard work. Sometimes you have to do this. As a man, there are certain things that you just have to do them yourself. Sometimes it saves you your capital, at least for your chickens, you can have a good number of them. It's expensive to have somebody to do this, but I'm not saying everyone should do it. But if you have that capacity to build it yourself, to pay somebody to do it, like they can do it for you. As in, for me, I just decided to do it myself because I just wanted to do it and enjoy the moment. That's the reason why I did it. Yeah, that's me over there. There's a lot I did in this video.
So yeah, guys, so we have to make up these pause here, this pause here, and those pause. And every pause is in place. If you see here, it's just within this area. You'll see it when it comes to breathing like this, because it's very tiresome. You have to do some craft sometimes when it is necessary, because you might be using some people, then they'll chow onto your profits. So sometimes as a man do such kind of work, it's some of type of like some physique, like fitment that you need. Yeah. So those are local chickens that are remaining. We sold almost everything. So yeah, guys, let me continue with the work. I'll update you how it goes.
To big birds, watch the profits on the way. Feed it right, doing smart. Yeah, we farming with a plan. Poultry life, that's the grind. Turning dreams into a brand. Yeah, poultry life. Poultry life. Poultry life. Poultry life, that's the grind. Turning dreams into a brand.
Oh yeah, probably you're wondering, like, how come from pause, making the concrete of the pause, now the cage is already standing, the roofing is already done. Sorry guys, I'm really sorry, because I forgot that I was supposed to film all this, including the moment when I was starting up the cage, the measurements of the cage. I forgot, guys. I got a little bit busy. You forgive me for that. But for the cage, the moment I'll be making the other cage, since this is the first cage that I'm making, but there is the other one that I'm supposed to make, because the plan is to have chickens in the cage, which is the capacity of 300, and this one, the first cage, is only the capacity of 150. So guys, I'll have it pre-recorded. I'll record it. And I feel bad that I did not even record when I was doing the roofing, because this was the amazing part, because this is one thing that a lot of people will not believe that I did it myself. But before doing it, of course, I had to learn from somebody, and I just did it now. Like, I wanted to try the craft that I've learned from somebody and do it myself. So yeah, guys, I did the caging, I did some welding. But before doing welding, guys, you need somebody to guide you. So as in, for me, before even starting up to make up the chicken cages, of course the broiler cages, I first did some research. After doing some research, I had to talk to some welders. They showed me some skills, they showed me some basic stuff that I'm supposed to do. But before deciding to make the cage, I already made a decision today to say, even if I make a mistake, this is a risk I'm going to bear. So if I make mistakes, the moment I had this visualized in my head, like I need to make this project and it needs to go this way and this way, I already risked that if I make mistakes, I make mistakes. That's the reason why I have so much courage in what I was doing, and I knew that it will come out perfect. And for sure, guys, I'm telling you, and I can guarantee you, the videos that you'll see that will come out next, you will be able to say, oh, okay, he did it. Because sometimes you just have to build up that courage in yourself. There's a lot of people who don't have like courage to build up these stuffs. So as in, for me, it is my first time to do this, but I gathered some information and I applied them, and this is the results that you are going to be seeing in the other videos. There's other videos that I'm going to do because of course, yeah guys, you forgive me, like I've said already, the other videos I didn't do because I wanted you guys to learn a lot from it. But for the cage, of course, I'm going to do another cage and you're going to have that knowledge. I'm going to show it to you guys because you are my audience and I love you guys and I would want you to also have the experience that I have and see what I did. So in the next cage that I'll be making, of course, I'll be able to show it to you guys. So guys, yeah, this cage that I'm making right here is a cage that will occupy 150 chickens. So for starters, we say, okay, let's build, let me build up a 150 cage chicken. Then later on, we can increase to 300. Then with this experience that I'll get from here, of course, I'm going to implement it to the large poultry farm that I have because at the farm, of course, there are a lot of things that I've not yet put in order for me to go and start operating that side. But definitely that's the reason why I'm trying to use this small space to come up with some income and then finish up the poultry houses. And also I'm planning that I'll do the cages over there as well. It's gonna be a nice experience, guys. As you know, life is not a short feed. It's not a short thing that you just do it in one day, then people are able to see everything. Of course, you maybe sometimes you go down, you come up. It's not a short feed. Life is like a movie. It's a long movie. You have to bear with some mistakes that you make in this business because you're going to grow in this business. Not everybody who started business, they just boom. So guys, yeah, I did this cage. Enough of storytelling. I did this cage and I would love my viewers to watch it through. Like the moment the project will start, like when we put in the chickens, I would love you guys to watch and see how it will perform and how cost saving it will be, because there's a lot of things that we're going to avoid, like diseases with this type of poultry farming, like broiler cages, because of course there are other things that I've not yet revealed. In the other videos, you will see even the way I'll make the conveyors that will carry the droppings of the chickens, because chickens droppings will be going down. And just imagine there are 3 layers, which means if we allow the layer to just be open, they'll be pooping on the other chickens which are down. But there's a design of a conveyor that I'm going to make, and hopefully you guys are going to learn from it and it will be helpful. So just stay tuned to the channel. It will be very helpful for you if you want to change the way you learn poultry farming to become profitable. So guys, yeah, I did it. You can do it. So guys, I just want to say thank you to you viewers, the new viewers, the old viewers, and if you're new, consider subscribing. And for those my viewers, old time viewers, I know you guys have always enjoyed the content that I put in, but this time for those who are doing broilers, it's gonna be more interesting and more nice because there's going to be lesson after lesson. I'll see you on the other videos as we explore this cage.